Hi guys! Look what we have. We have the Hobonichi Techo 219 to unbox today, and a special little stationery haul from a store called Cute Things from Japan, which truthfully comes from Japan. So let's get started. We'll put this aside and we will start with our Hobonichi Techo 219. Now I know a lot of you are already familiar and you probably already have your planners. I'm kind of running behind this year, but I got it, and I've now got some time to make this video and take a look and share with you my new haul. Okay, so as we've all seen, it says, "Don't ever lose hope. It's far too important." You know how a pinch of salt changes the whole flavor of a dish? Your hope is that salt. So, a nice little quote to start the year off with our planners. Let's open it up. This is going to be my planner cover and my planner cover on cover. And here are my other goodies. Here is our free gift, which is this cute little pen. These come with every planner, but only if you order directly from Hobonichi. Of course, you can get them and everything's great, but if you want the special pen and the special little bear, which will open up soon, you must order directly from Hobonichi. So, get to this later. I have my weekly, which is nice. And I'm just going to use a clear cover for this one because it's already so pretty. And here is my Hobonichi Techo Planner 219. It's the English A6 version. And here are my pencil boards. So, excited about that. Let's take a look. Okay, to begin with, we have the cover that goes over the planner, and it's this beautiful blue and black on the outside. So let's open it up. It smells so good. New things always smell so good. Okay, so we have this planner here, and we have the bookmarks. Put that there. And here is the Hobonichi Techo Planner 2019. I do not understand that, so there's the English version. So this little planner just is the perfect size. It can go in your purse. It's not too big. 219 and 220. The paper feels really slick. Very thin but sturdy. This is very nice paper. Okay, so we're going to put it in the cover. So we're going to bend it back like this and slip it in nice and firm, very nice. And see, it feels like it's a little stuck. There we go. Oh, I just love it. I love the dark black, and then you open up in that beautiful sky blue. Very nice. And we also have the cover on cover, which is this. I like the pink, but it's really just holding it together. It's clear. But I think that's pretty. So even though this cover here is slick, and you don't necessarily have to have this, because it's perfect. A lot of people want to protect this, but more than protect it, I just like this design. I just think that's so pretty. It has some gold overlay. It's got a little kitty cat, and then when you put it on the black, it just pops. So even though it is a protective cover, my favorite part of it is just because it's so whimsical and pretty. It has sort of a little vintage vibe with the different little mushrooms. Eek! I hate bending, but it's the only way to get it in. There you go. Okay, how cute is that? Look at this. Look at the little kitty and the mushrooms and the moon. Is that like a lemur? See, this just makes it so much funner. I just had to get this cover when I saw it. Some people use a different color under it, and it looks really, really nice. But I happen to like the black because it looks good. So I'm basically just going to show it this way and not get into much detail until I actually start planning and writing in it. I'll just show you my haul. Okay, that looks good. Next, we have the pen, which is the free gift. Here we go. You have black ink, blue ink, and red ink. That makes it fun. And is this pretty sort of a ballet beige, like ballet slippers, and this pretty white. That looks good. And then we have the Not So Scare Bear, which is a little paperweight, which is a fun little trinket, a little goodie that makes it fun to be included. It's a paperweight. And the bear he's pretty heavy. And he's got his little Hobonichi book himself. He's precious. We'll put him right here. We'll put him by the flowers. There we go. Okay. What else do we have? We have these pencil boards. I don't know if any of you have used pencil boards. This one goes with my A6. So I have never used them, but I could have always used them because sometimes when you're writing on a planner and you use markers, sometimes it bleeds through. And so this is supposed to, because I'll usually use like a cloth napkin or something that I have close by. But now I have this. So this can go. Voila, right there. And then, if you want to keep this closed, you take your pen. Oh, it's right here. And you go through this other loop. And it keeps your planner shut, so it doesn't flop open. And you always have your pen, and you don't have to look for it. And so if it's in your purse, you just pull it out, and you have everything you need. It smells good. It's all new. It's brand new. It's a new year. Lots of possibilities. I always love the new year, getting the new planners. If you saw my other videos, you know I have a law of attraction planner, which I love. That planner I use to keep myself checked and to do more gratitude and law of attraction and those types of things. This is going to be more for everyday life. Okay, so the other thing I got was my weekly. And guess what? Another pen. They included it. I didn't order it. It was just free. So there it is. And here is my weekly. It is so pretty. This one, because it already has a design cover, my actual cover I got is clear. So I can see this pretty. So let's go ahead and put this in. I think it's in a plastic bag. There we go. They have H's, O's, and B's. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, how do I get this in here? Let me try this again. I think I bend it simultaneously. Here we go. It always makes me nervous bending it back so far, but it won't hurt it. It just feels like it will, but it's nice and firm, nice and neat. Okay, so here we have this, and we have, I believe this guy is the illustrator. I'll have to research that. I'll let you know. I'm going to put this right here. And we got a railway map. That will come in handy if I ever go there to Japan, which I would love to, but it's really not on my dance card at this time. Okay, so, but it's slick. It feels good. I'm still going to keep it right there because it's fun. And then we have the little flyer, which is cute. This is my life for the life book. It's like a poster. That's adorable. Okay. So we will put this right here. So here it is with the cover, the clear cover, and you can see it starts with the month of December, and then January should be right here, and you have February, etc. And then you have the actual weeks there in the back with some grid paper. So, again, I have my pencil board, which I'm so glad I got. These are so inexpensive. It's like, I think it's less than $3, maybe $2.50, I'm not sure. But since they fit perfectly, because they're made with the size in mind, it's just a good little Cersei to get. Just a little add-on. And then you can, oh, and here's the little string bookmarks. They're very thin and delicate, but sturdy. So you can put this right here to keep. It's got like a little tab up there. And there, that's it. Let me see about this one. There we go. We can put that there. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining me. And what I'm going to do in my very next video is I am going to show these cute things from Japan, and we are going to open it up and see what's inside. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.